Hi everybody, my name is Natasha and I'm just here to talk to you about my top favorite Benedetta product, our repair mask. It is absolutely wonderful for my skin. As you can see, I don't have any makeup on and I'm definitely prone to breakouts typically, but this has definitely improved the texture of my skin overall. It's diminished my breakouts quite a bit. And it is so easy to use. It's loaded with antioxidants. It's designed to fight free radical damage, and it's good for all ages, regardless of if you're in your early 20s like I am, or if you're older and you want to improve your skin greatly and fight all that nasty stuff that's probably been in your skin for a while and you want to get it out. So it's really easy to use. All you'll do is take one part of your repair mask and the second part is the activator. So you're going to want to do 1 to 1.5, mix it together, put it on your skin for about 20 to 40 minutes, rehydrate your skin, and then roll it off. And I guarantee you that you will love your skin after.